You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names, the name of these two friends, from the Hebrew Bible. If you want to learn more confusing biblical names, stay tuned. I've got more videos. I'll link to a few for you. You'll want to learn and listen from at the end of this video. Amnon, and Jonadab, Jonadab. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Amnon and Jonadab. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.